In this video, we will teach you about the process of how to replace brake pads of Honda Accord. Park the vehicle on a dry, flat surface and install wheel chocks. Be careful when lifting the car. Use secure jack points for the jack and jack stands. Now we have to remove the wheel by loosening the lug nuts. Now we have to remove the old pads. Now remove the bolts and the caliper. You should be able to reach the caliper bolts pretty easily. Turning the wheel left or right will provide easier access. Once the caliper is removed, suspend it with a bungee cord. Once the pads are off, remove the rotor. On many vehicles, you'll need to remove the caliper mounting bracket in order to remove the rotor, and skimming the rotor if necessary. Now we have to push back caliper piston. After rotor skimming, just install it back carefully. Now we have to install brake hardware. Make sure to apply brake lubricant at the slider contact points before installing the hardware. Now we have to fix the bolts. Get brake pads ready to install. Note the wear sensor position orientation to install the pads correctly. Different pads have varying wear sensor placements. Some pad sets have wear sensors on just the inner pads, some on all four pads, and some do not have wear sensors. Take the caliper off the bungee cord and put it back on. Very important, do not over tighten the caliper bolts. This can lead to much bigger problems. Install the wheel and tighten the lug nuts. While the vehicle is raised, raise the vehicle with the jack. Remove the jack stands and lower the vehicle. We hope you like this tutorial. To stay updated on our latest content, like this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications.